Hey folks, Big Woodsman here. Today we're going to be doing the field test of our ICOtec 300 plus game call. So stay tuned. Let's see what we get into. So we're walking back to an area where we've got really good coyote sign. We've got our call with us. We're using our trusted 22250 again today. We're going to be headed back. We're going to put the call in place and we're going to hopefully see what happens. We're about an hour off sunset right now, so good time to call. So here we are out in the bush. This is where we're going to set up our call location. We've got our call with us. We're going to take our remote off, tip up our antenna. We're going to turn it on. And we're also going to turn on Bluetooth because we're going to try to call today using some Bluetooth. Unfortunately, if you don't turn it on right here before you set it, there's no way you're going to be able to connect unless you walk way out there and potentially ruin your entire call sequence. Turn on our remote and we should be good to go. So we're going to set this out about 30-40 yards. We got a big snowfall just recently, so it's really deep. So I'm not going to set it out hugely far, but we're going to see how far we can get it. We're set up right behind a blow down stump, so we have a beautiful cover in front of us, which is great. And then I'm going to see if we can set this up for Bluetooth calling. So we're going to connect. Looks like it's active because I've already connected it prior, so it looks like things are good. So let's go into our app and let's see if we can pull some sounds. Nice. So there we have it, running the actual call with our phone. As I say, we're only about 35, 40 yards from the call, so Bluetooth connectivity, not a problem. The volume's very loud. The only thing you have to notice is volume right up on your phone. The very last volume level is gonna beep, and that's gonna come through your speaker. So be very careful, don't go to max volume if you're Bluetooth in your phone. Critical, otherwise you may ruin your hunt. So now that we know that the Bluetooth feature works on the speaker, no problem, let's switch over to our remote and let's do a locator. And nothing's happening because I assume it's still wanting to Bluetooth. So we're gonna have to cancel that in order to get the remote to work again. So go into our Bluetooth settings, turn off Bluetooth, done. Now let's try that call again. And nothing. So clearly, we have a problem when we Bluetooth, that when you Bluetooth only, and it won't go back. So we're gonna have to turn off the Bluetooth, which means we gotta go out to our call. So, critical component of the ICOtec 300, you either use the remote or you use Bluetooth. You can't switch back and forth in a call sequence. Otherwise, you gotta go all the way out to your call, pick it up, change it over, and then you're good to go. So let's try that and see if that's actually the issue. So here's our call. We just hung it from a tree. Let's turn the Bluetooth off. Let's try our remote again. And it works. So there you go.
So we've set our call up about, I'd say 60, 70 yards away. The remote easily works that distance. You could probably push it out to 100 yards. I bet you'd have no problem whatsoever. As you can see, we'll play another one. Turn the volume up. Sounds really good.
So there you have it, folks. Very loud call. Connectivity with the remote is great. Connectivity with Bluetooth is great, as long as it's not at the same time. Other than that, call works beautifully. Really like it. It's clearly going to work quite well. I think this morning we had a coyote come in, but it's hard to tell. We're going to walk over and check that out momentarily. So stay tuned and let's see if we actually did get a coyote come in this morning. I caught a glimpse of movement way off to my right, about 100 yards out. As you can see, we're in pretty thick cover here, so it's got to be pretty close. So nothing happened, didn't see anything. Ended up coming over to where I thought I saw it after the call was done. Turns out, yes, we did call in a coyote, which is awesome. Clearly the call works. And it ended up circling all the way in behind me to about 60 yards through heavy cover. Never could get a shot. Couldn't do anything about it. Really too bad, but hey, it's not the fault of the call. Call works great. So there you have it, folks. There's the first trial of the ICOtec 300 plus game call. Worked very, very well. Very pleased with it. It worked quite well on the remote feature. It worked quite well on the Bluetooth feature. The only thing that I have to do from now on for my setups is make sure that I'm putting this call out 60 to 80 yards out in front of me, because if they circle around in behind me like this one just did, I'm not going to see them in this heavy cover. So I need to get my call upwind 60, 80 yards, put myself down on the path where they're going to circle the call. Critical component when working in heavy cover. But all in all, call works super well. Remember, it's life out there in the woods. I'll see you out there in it.